उत्साह से भर जाते हैं। हमारे युवाओं के लिए यह स्वाधीनता के गौरव को महसूस करने का दिन है। इस अवसर पर हम अपने स्वाधीनता सेनानियों के बलिदान को कृतज्ञता के साथ याद करते हैं। उनके बलिदान के बल पर ही हम सब आज एक स्वाधीन देश के निवासी हैं। हमारे स्वाधीनता संग्राम के आदर्शों की नींव पर ही आधुनिक भारत का निर्माण हो रहा है। हमारे दूरदर्शी राष्ट्र को सशक्त बनाने के लिए उसके युवाओं का सशक्तिकरण आवश्यक होता है और राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति इस दिशा में एक बड़ा कदम है। प्यारे देशवासियों, केवल 10 दिन पहले अयोध्या में श्री राम जन्मभूमि पर मंदिर निर्माण का शुभारंभ हुआ है और देशवासियों को गौरव की अनुभूति हुई है। देशवासियों ने लंबे समय तक धैर्य और संयम का परिचय दिया और देश की टू द कॉज ऑफ लिबरेटिंग भारत माता फ्रॉम ऑप्रेसिव फॉरेन रूल एंड सिक्योरिंग द फ्यूचर ऑफ आवर चिल्ड्रन। Their thoughts and actions shaped the identity of India as a modern nation. We are fortunate that Mahatma Gandhi became the guiding light of our freedom movement. As much a saint as a political leader, he was a phenomenon that could have happened only in India. Troubled by social strife, economic problems, and climate change, the world seeks relief in Gandhiji's teachings. His quest for equality and justice is the mantra for our republic. I am glad to see the younger generation, the tradition of India, that we do not just live for ourselves, but work for the well-being of the entire world. India's self-reliance means being self-sufficient without alienating or creating distance from the world. It implies that India will continue to engage with the world economy while maintaining its identity. Dear fellow citizens, the world now realizes what our sages had said long ago. The global community is but one family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. However, even while the world community needs to fight together against the greatest challenge before humanity, some in our neighborhood tried to carry out their misadventure of expansion. Our brave soldiers laid down their lives defending our borders. Those worthy sons of Bharat Mata lived and died for national pride. The entire nation salutes the martyrs of Galwan Valley. Every Indian feels grateful to their family members. Their bravery in combat has demonstrated that while we believe in peace, we are also capable of giving a befitting response to any attempt of aggression. We are proud of the members of our armed forces, paramilitary forces, and police personnel who protect the borders and ensure our internal security. I believe that in the fight against COVID-19, life and livelihood both are essential. We have looked at the current crisis as an opportunity to initiate reforms to revitalize the economy for the benefit of all, especially farmers and small entrepreneurs. Landmark reforms have been introduced in agriculture sector. Now farmers can have barrier-free trade and get the best price for their produce anywhere in the country. The Essential Commodities Act has been amended to remove certain regulatory restrictions on farmers. This will help raise farmers' income. Dear fellow citizens, we have learnt some tough lessons in the year 2020. The invisible virus has demolished the illusion that human being is the master of nature. I believe it is still not too late for humanity to correct its course and live in harmony with nature. The pandemic, like climate change, has awakened the global community to our